A child cannot live with their parents. Advocates say the best alternative is oftentimes for them to stay with a relative or someone they already know, like a family friend or a coach. This is called kinship care, and the state of South Carolina has implemented a number of changes in recent years to make it an option for more kids in the foster system. State House reporter Mary Green explains what the next change could be.
Kinship foster parents in South Carolina can receive the same services and benefits that other foster parents get, like case management support and monthly payments. But there's a trade-off. They must be licensed with the state.
Our children deserve the chance when they're in a traumatic situation, removed from the home for good cause, to be placed in an environment that's safe, and the only thing that caregiver has to worry about is loving and healing towards their trauma.
But other challenges are often a reality for kinship caregivers like Haley Grau from the upstate.
The only time I ever thought I can't do this and I can't keep us a family is because of finances. And that should not be something that our families have to face.
A bill advancing in the state Senate aims to alleviate these challenges. It would create a new license for kinship caregivers in South Carolina, a step several other states have already taken. Right now, South Carolina requires they hold the same licensure from the Department of Social Services as other foster homes.
When we talk about kinship care, we are trying to minimize the effects, minimize trauma, and try to keep children with like-minded individuals that they know that they have a relationship with.
This bill would make kinship care more available by lowering the age of eligible caregivers from 21 to 18. It would also remove some requirements foster parents have to meet that supporters say don't directly benefit child safety and well-being, like undergoing quarterly regulatory visits and meeting state fire marshal regulations.
This bill recognizes that being a grandfather is very different than being a traditional stranger, if you will, foster parent.
Kinship caregivers told senators this week these changes would help them put more focus on their top priority, the children for whom they're caring.
This really opens doors and pathways for families that would not have them otherwise.
The General Assembly has enacted various changes in law in recent years to promote kinship care, and data shows they have been effective. In 2019, fewer than 10% of kids in South Carolina's foster system were placed with kin, but that number has now grown to nearly 30%. Reporting from the State House, I'm Mary Green.